Hi, today I have some tablecloth, some string, duct tape, and a pair of rubber bands, and I am going to make a very big parachute. I first start off by cutting the biggest square I can cut, which for me has a length of 1.35 meters. I now need to find the dimensions of this square here. This is why I have made on graph paper a representation on a scale of 1 out of 10. One side of the square is 13.5 centimeters. I have found the center of the square and then drawn the diagonal. I measure the length of the diagonal, which is here 9.5 centimeters. So a quick division will say that 9.5 centimeters divided by 3 is roughly 3.2 centimeters. So that means that 1/3 of the diagonal is 3.2 centimeters, which will be here. And after, as we can see, I only have to trace the shapes here. And when I measure the length of the side, it is roughly 2.3 centimeters. This means that 2.3 times 10 equals 23 centimeters. On our real parachutes, one of these squares we have his sides of 23 centimeters. Then I fold this square in half 3 times from the diagonal in order to have a triangle. On the corner of the triangle, where there is the 4 corners of the square, I marked 23 centimeters length on the side of the square and 32 centimeters of length on the diagonal of the square. You should end up with a shape looking like this. Then I joined all 4 corners with some tape, making sure to leave a hole in order the string. This is why I have cut in 4 pieces of string, which are 90 centimeters long. I then attach 1 string per corner and I add a triple knot in order to have extra security. I also cut 2 pieces of strings which have 1.8 meters of length and I tie them in order to have 2 loops. I joined the 2 90 centimeters strings in pair of 2s and I attach 1 loop per pair of string. If you add some rubber band, you see that you can attach objects, so charge, to your parachute. In order for the parachute to deploy in the air, you have to fold it properly. I also tried adding a launching mechanism on a kite in order to gain more height, but unfortunately the kite did not fly. I also designed some small cardboard pieces which allow me to wrap the cord around the parachute so that the cord does not get tangled up. And as you can see, once you throw it with a sky ball, it works very well. I think it would be even better if I could find some more height. this is it for today. Thank you for watching.